nightmare.
Activate.
Alright guys, welcome back. This is question number 3 from the 2019 paper 2 biology higher triple paper. Now we got question number 3. It says it is important to maintain a water balance in the body. Figure number 4 shows how much water a person gains and lost by different methods in one day. So over here in the graph we're looking at the let's have a look. There we go. So we got food 500, drinking methods 1,500, and metabolism 400. And then we got the water loss. 1,500 would be in urine, 400 would be in skin, through the skin, and then let's say that's 380 by breathing, and then you have nothing on the feces. Okay. So what we got here in question 3.1 is asking us when the water is balanced, the volume of water taken in by the body is equal to the volume of water lost from the body. Calculate the volume of water the person lost in one day in feces. Use information for question from figure number 4. Right, so all we got to do basically is that we're going to add up all the water going in and subtract all the water taken out. So if we look at here, we got 1,500 plus 500 plus 400, and that gives us a total of 2,400. Okay, that's in. Now when we take away the out, we have 1,500 from the urine. We also going to have 400 from the skin. We're gonna have 380 from the breathing. So we take all that out, and then when you subtract that, you're going to end up with 120, and that 120 will be the amount of that you're losing through the feces. Okay, it's not really asking us to draw it on the table, but just in case, 150 will be right here. Okay, there you go. So that's your 120, sorry, 120 lost by feces. All right. So in your answer over here, obviously it's a 2-mark question, so it would be expecting us to write down the working out. But if you just get the answer done, you should be okay and you should have your marks, okay? But we done the working out already, and that is 120 centimeter cubes lost by the feces. But just to be sure, you want to do your adding up over here. And there you have it. Easy peasy. Right, let's go to question number 3.2. Figure number 4 shows that one method of gaining water is by metabolism. Which metabolic process produces water? Tick one box. All right, again, we're looking for ticking the box. We're going to go through the process of elimination and take out the answers that are definitely incorrect. Okay, now breakdown of proteins into amino acids. No, that definitely is not one of the answers. Digestion of fat. Maybe. And then we got respiration of glucose, and then changing glycogen into glucose. This will definitely not be the one. What it clearly tells you that what you're producing there is glucose. Digestion of fat, maybe. And breakdown of proteins into amino acids. This is definitely not the one. Okay, so we got a 50-50 chance over here. Okay, but we know that products of respiration is going to be carbon dioxide and water. Okay, and that is metabolism right there. So this is what we're going to be looking at. Respiration of glucose. That's going to be your answer right there. Okay, now let's move on to question 3.3. Okay, so it says the next day the person ran a 10-kilometer race. The volume of water lost from the body through the skin and by breathing increased. Explain why more water was lost through the skin during the race. And it's very simple. Obviously, because he was doing a lot of exercise, the person was sweating, and this was done by the body in order to cool the body down. Okay, and that's why a lot more water was lost through the skin than through breathing. There you have it. Right, let's move on to question 3.4. Explain why more water is lost by breathing during the race? And that's pretty simple. Obviously, as you're racing, you're going to need more energy. Therefore, there's going to be more respiration. And as more respiration takes place, then more glucose is going to be broken down, more carbon dioxide is going to be released, and then more water vapor is also going to be released. And that's why you're going to have a higher amount of water being released through breathing, okay? There you have it. That is question 3.4 done. Okay, and with that, we finish question 3. Click on the next video so we can look at question number 4. And yeah, see you then.
It was a nightmare. Activate.